Many people mistakenly believe that refrigerating all foods is essential for preserving freshness and safety. However, this can actually diminish flavor and nutritional value in certain items. Proper food storage is crucial, as it helps maintain the integrity of ingredients, ensuring they taste their best and retain their nutrients. In this discussion, we will explore 18 specific foods that should never be refrigerated, shedding light on why keeping them at room temperature is beneficial for both taste and health. Refrigerating tomatoes can significantly alter their texture and flavor, making them mealy and dulling their natural sweetness. For the best taste and quality, it's essential to store tomatoes at room temperature, away from direct sunlight. This allows them to ripen properly and develop their full flavor profile. We encourage you to share your favorite ways to enjoy tomatoes, whether in salads, sauces, or fresh off the vine, as they truly shine when stored correctly and enjoyed at their peak. Refrigeration can negatively impact the texture of melons, making them grainy and less enjoyable to eat. To retain their delicious flavor, it's best to store whole melons at room temperature, allowing them to ripen fully. However, once you cut a melon, it's important to refrigerate the leftovers to prevent spoilage, but do so for only a limited time. This balance ensures you enjoy melons at their best, both in taste and texture, whether whole or sliced. Cold temperatures can convert the starches in potatoes into sugars, resulting in an undesirable sweet flavor and gritty texture. To maintain their quality, it's best to store potatoes in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. This environment helps preserve their natural taste and texture. Potatoes are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from creamy mashed potatoes to crispy fries, making proper storage essential for enjoying their full culinary potential. Basil thrives in warm temperatures, ideally between 70 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, making it essential to keep it away from cold drafts. For optimal care, place basil in a glass of water similar to a bouquet. Keep it fresh and vibrant. This method helps maintain its flavor and aroma. Fresh basil is a culinary gem, enhancing a variety of dishes, from pasta and salads to pesto and sauces, making proper care vital for enjoying its delightful taste. Refrigeration can disrupt the ripening process of bananas, causing them to turn brown and become mushy before they fully develop their flavor. For the best results, it's advisable to purchase bananas when they are still slightly green, allowing them to ripen naturally at room temperature. This method enhances their sweetness and overall taste. Storing bananas at room temperature not only promotes proper ripening, but also ensures that you enjoy their delicious flavor and nutritional benefits at their peak. Proper air circulation is crucial for maintaining the freshness of onions, as it helps prevent moisture buildup and mold growth. To ensure their longevity, store onions in a cool, dry place, and avoid keeping them with potatoes, as the gases emitted by potatoes can cause onions to spoil more quickly. Onions are incredibly versatile in the kitchen, enhancing a wide range of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and sautés, making correct storage essential for enjoying their robust flavor. Refrigeration can negatively affect cucumbers, causing them to become watery and lose their crisp texture. For optimal freshness, it's best to store cucumbers at room temperature, away from direct sunlight. However, if refrigeration is necessary, wrapping them in plastic can help minimize moisture loss and maintain their crunch. Cucumbers are a delightful addition to salads, providing a refreshing crunch and vibrant flavor. Enjoy them fresh to fully appreciate their taste and texture in your favorite dishes. To keep butter spreadable without refrigeration, store it in a covered container at room temperature, which allows it to remain soft and easy to spread. This method is ideal for everyday use, ensuring you can enjoy butter on toast or in cooking without the hassle of waiting for it to soften. For longer storage, refrigerating butter is a great option, as it helps maintain its freshness and flavor. Proper storage ensures you can enjoy butter in all your favorite dishes. Refrigeration can negatively impact honey's consistency, causing it to crystallize and become grainy, which affects its smooth texture. When stored properly in a cool, dry place, honey boasts an impressive long shelf life, remaining safe and delicious for years. This natural sweetener not only enhances the flavor of various dishes, but also offers numerous health benefits. We encourage you to incorporate honey into your cooking and baking, using it as a versatile and wholesome alternative to refined sugars. Mature white wines should not be stored in the fridge, as the cold temperatures can hinder their development and alter their delicate flavors. Instead, aim for a consistent storage temperature between 45 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the type of white wine. For example, lighter whites like Sauvignon Blanc are best served chilled at around 45 to 52 degrees Celsius, while fuller-bodied whites like Chardonnay can be enjoyed at 50 to 55 degrees Celsius. Investing in a wine fridge can provide optimal conditions for preserving and enhancing your wine collection. Storing oils at room temperature is generally safe and effective for most types, allowing them to maintain their flavor and quality. However, nut-based oils, such as walnut or hazelnut oil, should be refrigerated to prevent them from going rancid more quickly. To ensure longevity and preserve their freshness, it's best to store oils in dark cabinets, away from direct sunlight and heat sources. This practice helps maintain their flavor and nutritional benefits, allowing you to enjoy them in your cooking. Refrigeration can lead to mold and sprouting in garlic, compromising its quality and flavor. To store garlic properly, keep it in a dry, warm place with good air circulation, such as a pantry or a mesh bag. This environment helps maintain its freshness, prevents spoilage. Garlic is a vital ingredient in cooking, known for its ability to enhance flavors in a variety of dishes, from sauces to marinades, making proper storage essential for enjoying its robust taste. Refrigeration can make peanut butter hard to spread, making it less enjoyable to use. For optimal texture and ease of use, it's best to store peanut butter in the cupboard at room temperature. This allows it to remain creamy and ready for spreading on toast or adding to recipe. Peanut butter is a versatile ingredient, perfect for smoothies, cookies, and sauces, enhancing both flavor and nutrition. Proper storage ensures you can enjoy its delightful taste in all your favorite dishes. Refrigeration can alter the flavor profile of hot sauces, often dulling their vibrant taste and heat. Most hot sauces contain preservatives, such as vinegar and salt, which help prevent spoilage, allowing them to be safely stored at room temperature. Keeping hot sauces in a cool, dark place enhances their flavor and ensures they remain enjoyable for longer. We encourage viewers to embrace the full potential of their favorite hot sauces by storing them properly, ready to elevate any dish with a spicy kick. Refrigeration can significantly alter the taste and texture of chocolate, causing it to develop a dull flavor and a chalky consistency. To maintain its quality, it's best to store chocolate in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and strong odors. Dark chocolate, in particular, offers numerous health benefits, including antioxidants and heart-healthy properties. By storing chocolate properly, you can enjoy its rich flavor and health advantages, making it a delightful treat that satisfies both your taste buds and well-being. Refrigeration can hinder the ripening process of peaches, preventing them from developing their full flavor and sweetness. To ensure optimal taste, it's best to store peaches at room temperature until they are ripe. Once they reach the desired softness, you can refrigerate them briefly to extend their freshness. Peaches are delightful enjoyed fresh, adding a juicy burst to snacks or incorporated into desserts like cobblers and tarts. Proper storage allows you to savor their deliciousness in various culinary creations. Some hard cheeses like Parmigiano Reggiano and aged Gouda actually do better outside the fridge, as cold temperatures can mute their complex flavors. To store aged cheeses properly, wrap them in parchment paper or cheese paper, then place them in a loose plastic bag to allow for air circulation while preventing excessive moisture loss. This method helps maintain their rich taste and texture. Aged cheeses offer a depth of flavor that enhances various dishes, making proper storage essential for enjoying their full potential. Storing coffee beans in the fridge can expose them to humidity, which can ruin their flavor and freshness. For optimal storage, keep coffee beans in an airtight container in a cool, dark place, away from light and heat sources. This method helps preserve their rich aroma and taste. By following these storage tips, you can enjoy fresh coffee at home, enhancing your daily routine with the delightful flavors and aromas that freshly brewed coffee brings to your mornings. Refrigerating bread can lead to it drying out and becoming stale more quickly, so it's best to store it at room temperature in a bread box or a paper bag. For longer storage, consider freezing excess bread. which helps maintain its freshness and texture. Simply slice the bread before freezing for easy access. Fresh bread enhances meals, adding delightful flavor and texture to sandwiches, toast, or alongside soups, making proper storage essential for enjoying its deliciousness at any time. Citrus fruits thrive outside the fridge where they can maintain their vibrant flavor and texture. To store them properly, keep citrus in a well-ventilated area, such as a fruit bowl or a mesh bag, which allows for air circulation and prevents moisture buildup. Consuming citrus fruits offers numerous health benefits, including a rich source of vitamin C, antioxidants, and hydration. By storing them correctly, you can enjoy their refreshing taste and nutritional advantages in your daily diet. To keep cakes fresh without refrigeration, store them in an airtight container at room temperature, away from direct sunlight and heat sources. This method helps maintain their moisture and flavor. If you have leftover cake, consider freezing it to prevent spoilage. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and then in aluminum foil for optimal protection. Enjoying cake in moderation can be a delightful treat, adding sweetness to special occasions or everyday moments, while proper storage ensures it stays delicious longer. In summary, proper food storage is essential for preserving flavor and nutrition, ensuring that you enjoy the best quality from your ingredients. Some foods are better stored at room temperature. We encourage you to keep these items at room temperature for optimal enjoyment. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and explore our related content for more tips on enhancing your culinary experience.